andito rin kayo for loving us. Thank you so much. Mwah! Ate Ash, hello po na. Last na si Ate Arshine. Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming. At napasaya nyo kami at napaiyak na din. So nag-enjoy kayo. Ingat kayo palagi. See you soon. Hello mga sobrang Latina. Thank you so much for coming. I enjoyed your company so much guys.
Chairman ako.
I hope to meet more of you guys and I hope to we can all bond and have fun together and I enjoyed you guys too. Basta, love ko kayo mga. Palagi and God bless you. Dito daw.
Thank you.
Ano yan? This is for everyone. Hi everyone! Thank you for your support. Mahal na mahal kita. Amen. Amen! Last, bati for everyone for Viva. Hello po sa Hello po sa lahat ng kumita sa aking first solo fan meet and of course sa aming habang kasama ko yung mga girls. Maraming salamat po. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin yun. And sana nag-enjoy po kayo kasi nag-enjoy po kami.